Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. We have question 5 minus 15 parenthesis 5 minus 15 parenthesis close. And this is very simple one but little bit tricky. If you found this simple, then solve by your own and comment your answer to get feature here. I will solve for those who don't want to solve. So we have here like 5 minus 15, 5 minus 15. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS and stepwise mathematics, so everybody will understand every step. So here we can see PEMDAS parenthesis exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. First preference will be given to this parenthesis. So we will operate this 5 minus 15 which equals to minus 10. So we can simply write minus 10 on place of this. So we will write here 5 minus 15 minus 10. Now when we remove this parenthesis, we will apply multiplication there. Okay. You understand? Many are solving like this, like 5 minus 15 which equals to minus 10 and minus 10 times minus 10 which equals to 100, and they show this is the right answer, but this is not the right way. I will show you how. We will rewrite here 5 minus 15 minus 10. We will write here. Now we will remove this minus 10. So we will write 5 minus 15 times minus 10. Because there are actually, this is sign of this negative. You can simply put like this, all are same. And this is simply operation. The two operations are there and both are like this is multiplication, subtraction, and according to PEMDAS, multiplication have the higher priority. So first we will operate this. Okay. So we will get 5 minus 15 minus 15 times minus 10 which equals to what? 150, but in minus. And as we know that minus times minus is equals to plus, plus into minus which will give minus, and plus into plus will give plus. Okay, positive. So we will simply write this minus times minus will be plus, and our right answer will be 5 plus 150 which equals to 155. So here right answer is 155, and if you're seniors then must check out best product on Amazon for you. I have given link in the description. All are Amazon affiliate link. If you buy this, then this will help me to grow my channel. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.